Class Project for Introduction to Computing Principles and Technology. By James Coexum. Part 1, The Computer and the Router. With $1,000 in total for purchases, I decided to buy a decent PC, the HP Pavilion Desktop. For $639, it's pretty good with its RAM capacity being 6 to 12 GB, and its hard drive limit being 512 GB. I wanted to get the best computer worth its price. And I felt like this one was the best, plus at the time, I wanted to save a decent amount to get a good router as well. This was the best computer I could find that still allowed me to have a good budget for the router I chose. The router I chose is the Netgear Nighthawk. I just chose this router because I use a Netgear router myself. Since the router I use isn't as high-tech as this one, I believe this one is a very good router. However, since my main reason for choosing this is biased, I can't really say if this is a good router for sure. Though it does have 256 megabytes of speed, but that's mostly all the info I have for the router. The cost fluctuates, however the cost upon first finding the router was $289.95, and right now it's lower than that, so let's assume $289.95 is around the highest price it will be. Part 2, The Solutions to the Problem. The solutions are cloud backup and a flash drive. Cloud backup is a form of backup that has unlimited storage and is easily accessible by the internet. A flash drive is a form of backup by storing data on a USB that can be used on computers and PCs. The positives of the cloud backup is that it has unlimited storage, is easily accessible, and is usable on all devices. The positives of a flash drive is that it is very secure. The disbenefits of the cloud backup is that it requires internet access to use, can be breached, and a membership may be required for unlimited storage. The disbenefits of a flash drive is limited storage, the possibility of the flash drive being lost or damaged to unusability, and it is only usable on computers and PCs. There aren't many ways to keep your files and/or data safe in the possibility of a device failure. There are many stakeholders with this issue, this being pretty much everyone. You could be working on something and then all of a sudden your device shuts off, and then it's gone. Or your device all of a sudden decides to stop working entirely. Trying to turn on your PC does nothing, plugging in the power cord does nothing, nothing works. Well, two main ways to mitigate the issue is from using a form of cloud backup, or using a flash drive. The cloud drive is significantly more versatile than the flash drive, however it can be breached by hackers, while a flash drive has limited capabilities but is very secure. If you want to be safe, you should probably use the flash drive as it shouldn't get hacked unless your device already has a virus. Though be wary that if you lose the flash drive, you basically lost the data stored on your flash drive. While if you want convenience, use the cloud backup, in which it isn't as secure as the flash drive, but it can store a lot more data and can easily be accessed. The cloud backup is generally better than the flash drive just due to convenience. But remember that it can be hacked if someone really wanted to, and it can't be used if you don't have access to the internet.